Hi, this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. So I have a Sephora haul for you. So it actually came in 2 boxes, but I just kind of merged them into one. So if you're interested in seeing what I picked up during the spring VIB event, sales event, then please keep on watching. So let's go ahead and go into what I purchased during this Sephora spring sales event. So first thing I got a lot of minis, and that's because I'm taking a trip here pretty soon and I wanted to get some minis to pack in my carry-on because I hate taking carry-on, but if I'm gonna have to, I have to. My daughter and I are taking a quick little mommy and me trip. So the first thing I got is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Now I have one of these in my shower, so I got this as a backup, but I did buy one here to take in traveling. Now I use the Briogeo scalp scrub and I have a travel size of that, so I wanted a travel size of this to take with me, and my daughter uses this as well, so I got this to take with me on my trip. I did buy a travel size of the Orbe dry texturizing spray. I love using this when I use my Dyson Airwrap, and after my hair is all curled and fluffy, I put this through my hair because my hair does tend to take down the curl by the end of the day, but it's still wavy, and this gives it a nice texture. So I purchased this to take on my trip as well. I did get a backup of my Pharmacy Green Clean Melt Away Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Now I had purchased the Good Molecules cleansing balm and I like that as well, but the size is half the size of this and the price difference is minimal. So I went ahead and got this pharmacy one because I do like this one better. I don't get the cloudy eyes when I put this all over my eyes and take off my eye makeup, so I got a backup of this. I also got a backup of the Tatcha, the water cream. I'm almost out of mine, and this is my favorite morning skincare moisturizer. So it comes in this, and so I did get a backup of this. I'm not going to open this because I want to wait until I'm done with the other one, but I did get that. That's my favorite. It's so good for oily skin. Okay, and then the other thing I got, I'm so happy that Polish Choice is now being sold at Sephora. So I got the 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. I got the regular size and I got the mini. I like to use this in the mornings to exfoliate my skin after cleansing. So I got this, so I'm going to take this on my trip. And the other thing I got was the Ole Henriksen Low 2OH Dark Spot Toner. I think this is really working on my skin. So I got another one of these because I'm almost out, and then I also got a travel size one. Me minis. What is it about these minis that are so cute compared to regular size? So I got this, and I'm glad I can reopen this and pour it in here for when I have to travel again. Okay, that is the skincare portion. I did get the KVD Beauty Vegan Good Apple Skin Perfecting Foundation Balm. I got mine in the color medium 39. I didn't know what color to get. Now, I do love my Monica Blender foundation balm and the Giorgio Armani foundation balm, so I thought I would go ahead and try this out. This is an all plastic recyclable case, so that's good. And here's the color that I got. I think that's gonna work. So if you're interested in seeing this, let me know down in the comments below. If there's not enough interest in this because it's been so popular around YouTube and TikTok, then I'm not going to review it. So let me know down in the comments below if you'd be interested in seeing how this wears on my oily skin. Okay, those of you who saw my Patrick Ta saw that I got the Patrick Ta face palette in She Statuesque. And this is what the color looks like. I was informed that I have the lightest shade and I thought I got the medium one. So I did purchase the medium one, and this one is called She Sculpted. So I want to open this up and compare them. So here's She Sculpted, the medium one, and here's She Statuesque, the light one. So let's go ahead and swatch these and see if there's a big difference. So this is She Statuesque, the lighter one. So you can see how that goes there. And let's swatch these right here. Then this one is the medium one, She Sculpted. Let's go ahead and swatch these. So these are deeper, you can tell that already. Ooh, that might work better for my skin. Although I do like how this wears, this might work better. So I'm gonna try this out as well. So this is She Statuesque and this is She Sculpted. So I got that. The other Bronzer product that I got is the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate in Intensity 0.5. I do have Intensity 1 here, so I thought I would go ahead and compare them. So this one is in 0.5. So this one is in 0.5 and this is in 1.0. So let's go ahead and swatch these as well. So this is 0.5. I thought this might be better for me because I have not seen any sun. Oh, I think that's gonna work great on me. And then one, which this is one of my favorites. Yeah, I think that's gonna work well. And this would work on me if I had some sun on my face. So that's a Tom Ford shade in Illuminate in 0.5, and this is 1.0. I also got the Tom Ford Fiber Brow Gel. I have mine in 04 Espresso. I can't wait to use this. It comes in a beautiful package like this. And this is what the wand looks like. I wish the wand was a little smaller, but we'll see how this works. I bought this because Michelle Wong talks about this so highly about this. I'm gonna try this because I would like to use something like this without penciling in my eyebrows, just for like a really light makeup day, because my eyebrows have been growing in with the serum that I've been using. So excited to try this. Then, because I love the Gucci eyeliner so much, I got 2 more shades. I got mine in the color 01 Noir and 03 Chocolat. So I think there's 5 or 6 shades. So now I have 3 of them. And these stayed on my eyes without smearing all freaking day. So that's why I got these. So let me swatch one for you. This is one, Black Noir. I'll swatch 02 for you as well. This is the one that I had purchased for the Gucci makeup video, which I'll have linked. So that's the gray one. And then the brown chocolate is this one right here. And these stay on so well. Even when I take a makeup wipe and try to wipe this after when the video is over, I really have to go in and scrub. So I'm so glad I got these new shades. Lastly, I got some Westmin Atelier products. Yay! So let's start off with the foundation stick. This is the Vital Skin foundation stick. I got mine in the color 6. And it comes in a beautiful package like this. And it says Westmin Atelier there. I don't know if you can see that or not. And this is a beautiful product, and it's magnetized. So let's see. Oh, the top already got on there. Let's swatch this. This is the color 6, and I think that's gonna work perfect for me. I do my skin, prep my skin differently now than I did the initial Westmin Atelier video. But if you're interested in seeing my first one, I will go ahead and link that right up here. Then I also got the new Westmin Atelier Lit Up Highlight Stick. I have the original. And then I got this new one in Nectar, and it's got the black case with the gold, and it's again the magnetized. And this is the color. Doesn't that look gorgeous? And there's a highlight right there. This is like my perfect kind of highlight. So I'm excited to use that. Then I got one of her blushes, and I got it in Petal. I was gonna get 2, but I decided I'm just gonna start with 1 and see how it goes. And it's also got that Westmin Atelier and this magnetized product. And this Petal I thought was a perfect color for me, especially with spring and summer coming. Doesn't that look like just a flush of color? So I got Petal. Then the last thing I got, because I do already have her contour stick, I went ahead and got the Beauty Butter Powder Bronzer. It's her powder one, and it comes in a beautiful like linen type of a case. And this is what the product looks like. It says Westmin Atelier. It feels very heavy and luxe. And this is the bronzer. Look at the embossing on there. Isn't that so cute? It reminds me of her iPods. So let's go ahead and swatch this. Let's see, how is that gonna look on me? Oh, I think that's gonna be a nice light color for me. So this is called Coupe de Soleil. Okay, the last item I have here is the Patrick One Size Turn Up the Base Versatile Foundation Powder, and I got mine in medium 1N. This is what the compact looks like. I am doing a wear test right now. I have it on my skin today, so be on the lookout for this video coming up soon. But I have thoughts on it already. I've been wearing this since 7, so 2.5 hours already. I don't know. Be on the lookout for that. I do have some gift cards that I forgot to use during the checkout process, so I may go back in and just pick up some other staples, more like skincare and hair care type of products. I need to do that before I go on my trip. I'm gonna be gone for the weekend, so the videos you'll be seeing I pre-recorded. So let me know down in the comments below what you're interested in seeing in a future video. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you next time.